Hello family, welcome back to part 2 of our unboxing. Now we are going to hook up a delicious, luxurious cup of coffee with the Customizable smart electric kettle and milk our Frothed machine. So guys, are you excited? I cannot wait. Okay, we did the unboxing of those two new toys, two new gadgets that we have added on, and we also went online, logged in. It was quite user friendly and our device has been programmed. So now guys, it's time for the reward. Yes, let's reap the reward. Coffee bar. Blessed, of course. I love that affirmation because coffee or tea, it is something that I will take multiple times in a day. So this kind of having this here recenters my world. It reaffirms to me that I am blessed, and for me to also be a channel of blessings to others. And that is one of the primary prayers that I have always prayed in my life, for God to make a channel of blessings. I'm going to make coffee, so I'm selecting my coffee for 205, the preset coffee. So let's hit start. Aha, the magic is happening, guys. The magic is happening. The temperature of the water is heating up. Aha, do you see that bar moving? So I have my teacup. I have my silver tray. Okay, my teacup is good. I just like that. J, it represents a whole lot of things for me. Okay, with joy, Jesus, so many things. And my spoon isn't silver, so I always somehow do these meters somehow. Okay, temperature now is 187. So guys, I don't need to be here. I could be upstairs and have this done. Wake up in the morning, program this on my phone, as long as I already have water in my kettle, and everything else will be taken care of. The milk frothing, I have a cup of milk here. Cover that back, move this to the side. It has a 10 maximum temperature, which is 205, and it has turned to full orange. It is ready. So because our frothed milk is not ready, so let's push the hold temperature. Hold temperature gives you the time. See the time? 30 minutes. Do we want 30 minutes? Let's see. Let's hold it for 5. No, let's do 10. 10 minutes. So it's gonna hold temperature for 10 minutes. Look at that. Temperature is going to be maintained at 205 for that 10 minutes. So getting back to the Frothed machine, we've added the milk. Okay, and now we are going to heat it up. So you can see the whisk is whisking the milk. can see it is increasing, right? Okay, it's been 1 minute, 48 seconds. It's still whisking up the milk. It's frothed, right? Yeah. You see the foam in there? So now, see the front. And the front actually holds up. And the cocoa powder right on top. I am excited. Oh man. It takes little things like this, guys, to get me happy. Just little things like this. Being able to have those experiences. Oh yeah. That is just divine. Divine. From those new tools and gadgets. Divine, purely divine. Okay, guys, we're ready to sit and have a taste of this and see, can I have a satisfactory cup of coffee just from coffee and frothed milk? Because that is going to be a total game changer for me, which means there will be no creamer, no sugar. Let's see. Let's get this experience complete. I can't contain myself. All right, guys, we did it. And I am so excited for future use. But guys, here comes the taste testing time. Here is our coffee using the smart electric kettle and the frothed milk using those 2 kitchen toys the first time. And here I have some rolled up cookies, white chocolate covered hot cookie, and dark chocolate cookies. Sweet. You have the frothing topped off in cocoa powder. So guys, this is good. to have a taste. Testing time is here. Ooh. This is, it is the right temperature, guys. Wow. The mark of glory. Do you have that? See that mark on my lips? No sugar, no creamer. Wow. Do you know how much calorie that is taken out of my life? Yeah. The creamer, 30 calories per teaspoon, and no sugar. Bon appetit, guys. Bon appetit. Oh yeah, that is good. That is beyond good. You see, I can't even keep this coffee cup down, guys. You know, just the fact that all I have in here is the 1 teaspoon of coffee and the frothed milk. This is delicious. This is delicious cup of coffee. The temperature is just perfect. The taste is so smooth, and having those frosting and then the cocoa powder layering over it is just amazing, amazing, amazing. So guys, yes, converting your everyday living to a luxurious, elevated life of luxury. It is so important. We owe it to ourselves. We do. You might not be able to do this every day, but come on now, why not? You might not be able to sit down like this and do this every day. I will not be able to do this every day. But once in a while, on the weekends, why not treat myself? Why not? I can hook this up in the morning, pour it into my coffee jug, and go out to work, run my errands. But this is, I am not disappointed at all. Lifetime investment in you, self-care. This is part of self-care. This is elevated life of luxury, inexpensively done. So guys, as I said, the links are going to be there, and I want to go and sit right now in the sunshine. As you can see, there is some sun, bright sunshine coming in from outside. It is just so beautiful. I want to soak in some of that vitamin D on my skin, and precursor to beta carotene. Oh yes, oh yes, oh yes. Get that sun glowing, going. Yeah, soak in some of that, guys. You owe it to yourself, even if it is just 5 minutes. You do. So, with my cup of coffee, guys, I am heading out. I just want to say thank you all. Thank you, thank you, thank you for sharing this journey with me, riding with me, sharing this experience with me. And I hope there is nothing that I want more than you having this experience as well. And as I have said multiple times, it is whatever amount you spend in this, guys, you're going to reap the benefit 1,000 folds, 1,000,000 folds, because it is not really that expensive at all. A little over $100. It's about $77 for the Kusari and 30 something for the milk frothed. Guys, you can afford it. You can absolutely afford it. Take care of you. Creating elevated life of luxury. Meaningful experiences for yourself. Thank you guys so much. I love you, love you, loves. Much love. See you in my next episode. Thank you. Mwah.